The crucifix that you see behind me is now universally accepted as a work by the great Florentine painter Giotto, and was most likely executed around the year 1315. But for a long time, this crucifix sat in a back room here at the Church of Ognissanti in Florence. And it was not until it was restored in 2006 and that the great hand of a genius began to be uncovered that restorers and art historians alike realized that they had their hands on a great masterpiece. Giotto was a painter celebrated for his naturalism, and even dealing with a violent subject such as the crucifixion, you can clearly see his emphasis on the physical suffering of Jesus Christ, the wounds in his hands, feet, and side, and the blood that comes from them, the tilted head of Christ, emphasizing his near deathly status. And to the right hand of Christ, you can see the mourning figure of the Virgin Mary, and to his left, you can see the figure of St. John, the beloved apostle. All of this set against this blazing blue lapis lazuli background and the gold that contrasts it and makes the entire crucifix look like a jewel. So if you're in Florence, be sure to stop by the Church of the Ognissanti to admire this beautiful crucifix by Giotto. And remember to like this video and to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Rocky's Italy, so that you don't miss out on any of the great content that we're filming here in Italy and publishing weekly.